Rich in nutrients, coconut and coconut oil are high in a variety of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and iron. Promotes heart health. Coconut oil contains high levels of saturated fats, which can help to increase good cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Boosts energy. The medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, found in coconut oil provide a quick source of energy and can help to increase endurance. Improves digestion. Coconut oil can help to improve digestion and reduce inflammation in the gut. Supports weight loss. Because coconut oil is high in MCTs, it can help to increase feelings of fullness and boost metabolism, which can lead to weight loss. Strengthens the immune system. The lauric acid found in coconut oil can help to strengthen the immune system and fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Improves skin and hair health. Coconut oil can be used to moisturize the skin and hair, helping to improve their overall health and appearance. Promotes wound healing. Coconut oil can be used as a natural remedy for minor cuts, burns, and other skin injuries. Fights against infection. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that can help to fight off infections and promote overall health. Can be used as cooking oil. Coconut oil can be used as a cooking oil. It has high smoke point, so it can be used in high heat cooking and baking.